Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I know I'm not done editing the camping footage yet, so gotta do some other stuff in the meantime. It was Amazon Prime Day the other day, so I got some stuff that I might need, might not need. And we got some toys. 12-minute flight time. That's almost a half an hour with 2 batteries. Oh, it's only a 720 camera. Oh, that's okay. It's like an FPV drone. Alright, well, let's unbox this helicopter. This mini helicopter. Quadcopter. I don't know why they call them drones. They don't fly autonomously. I think drones fly autonomously. That's the whole idea. Oh! Charger kit. Quadcopter. Remote. Super tiny batteries. Tiny little batteries. So it needs batteries. Oh, it takes a screwdriver to open the freaking battery. Good thing that with the last Prime Day, I got all my rechargeable batteries. All right, here we go. We got some protectors. And we got some, this looks like a battery charger that plugs into all these wires. Whoa, those are the tiniest little screws I have ever seen. I don't know if I have a screwdriver that's that small. Ooh, look what came with it. A little screwdriver. We have 2 different plugs, so hopefully they both work. Oh, those are extra propellers because it already came with propellers. Man, you can like see the gears inside there, like right there. So it's definitely not like dust proof or waterproof or anything like that. 720, it says photo camera. I hope it's a video camera, not a photo camera. Tiny little, I mean, this drone is literally the size of my hand. It's a tiny one, but it's my first drone. We'll see how it goes. I feel like I'm spending too much time talking about this. Yep, my dumbass doesn't even know how to charge this drone right now. I'm trying to figure out how we charge. I don't understand what this thing is. So this is a phone holder. Oh, couldn't have figured that out without reading the instructions. I see now. But it says there's supposed to be a transmitter. Oh, I understand now. Oh, my first time. The phone goes on there. Oh my goodness. Maybe? Well, I'll get back to you when I figure it out. And I gotta go get some batteries. How long are those batteries gonna last? Oh, we should probably put on these little propeller guards. Those just click right in there. Oh, there it goes. Already breaking. Probably put glue on here, huh? Yep, those might need glue. Do not connect battery directly to wall sockets or car cigarette lighters. That's weird. Nope, I still need batteries for the remote. I got the app going on. Looks like the drone works. Turn that off. Okay, let me go get some batteries for the remote. Okay, it's not hooked up to the phone yet, but I will learn how to use this drone today. Figured out how to turn it on last night, and it went haywire in the house, and Crystal said, not in the house. But I'll figure out how to fly in the van, and then we can fly anywhere. I think the first thing to do is to glue these little things on there. These little protectors. And lots of reading the book. I think we should figure out how to connect this software. Oh, you can turn on the Wi-Fi and stuff. Okay. Why do all cameras need to connect via different Wi-Fi? There it is. Okay. Enter the app. We have video! Now we have to learn how to use it. Oh my goodness. Get a $20 refund It's like the price of the thing. We'll try and get 20 bucks back. Why not? Let's get this thing turned on. I can't figure out how to fly this thing. What if you start flying this outside and it just takes off and shoots off? And you never get it back right away? You gotta do it inside somewhere. I don't know why it says to do it outside. Yeah, if you started out outside in the grass or whatever, we don't have a big enough open area, but if you hit something with these things, they're gone forever. You're never finding that in the bushes, in your grass. You're never finding these little propeller thingies. So I can get it to take off. Turn it on. Whoa! Well, I got it to land that time. That was good. Oh! It just went in the trunk. I gotta go save it. Oh, even the video's black. All right, go rescue this thing. This is just a whole nother realm. Okay, I gotta tape these little propeller guards on here. They just keep popping off and that just, it's going nowhere. Super glue around these engines? Probably not a good idea. Now I am wondering how long this $30 toy is going to last. And I use like 4 drops of that only to use the whole thing. So, I don't know what else needs gluing. So this is what you get in a drone. We already went through this. Oh. Okay. So setting up everything. Plugging the battery in. Turning these things on. Boom, we're connected. We're calibrated flat. Go to your Wi-Fi, connect to the drone. I wonder if that takes up more battery. Go to the drone app, maybe place the drone facing me. We're all connected up. Tripod's in the middle of the street. We'll see how I can do right now. Takeoff button, and it just goes crazy. I got stuck in the trees. It's already got pretty vulnerable being so open, like some twigs or some dirt got in there and it made the engine like kind of clunky, but it like went away after a while. So it's all right. I'm learning how to use the controller better. So yeah, like these buttons here are much better to control the stability of it. Like this controller, yeah, it's just a lot of work. But then when you do these buttons, it actually makes it level. But then when you try to like turn it a different way or go up and down, it just goes haywire. And when you start it right away, it just goes crazy. Just starting it up, it just goes up and off to the side. Like it says you should have the camera facing towards you because it goes up and backwards typically, but it has no sensors or anything. And so it'll usually go left or right depending on the wind drift, and then you have to control it, and it's just a pain in the ass. So yeah, that's the joystick, and I'll try and use the buttons. It's drifting forward, so I'll press the back button. Back, 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 left, 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 left. It's drifting too far away, it's out of the shot. Hit. Right, 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 right. Ah, I hit Crystal's car, right, 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 right. Yeah, any gust. Oh, I should be filming. Okay, look, it's doing pretty good right here. So it's been a couple days getting used to it. See, but it's like, take my hands off the controls and it just drifts away. It doesn't like stay, it has no sense of wind. Left, left, left. And now it'll drift left, right. All right, maybe that works. Forward, right. It does have voice control, but I haven't figured that out yet.
Whenever it falls, it just tries to go back up to 6 feet. Video feed is too slow on here to do any sort of like FPV actual flying. We'll try headless mode. That headless mode worked out pretty good. This is how I got it stuck in a tree last time. It's staying pretty steady right now. It's doing good up there. The problem is with headless mode, once you move or it moves, it just gets all haywire. It doesn't remember what it's doing. Ooh, that was pretty close. That was good. I wish I could just get it to hover in one spot. I'd love to see if I could land this back on the table. Doing pretty good hovering in one spot right now. We'll see if I can get it back on the table. But because I just rotated it a little bit. Boom! Right in the middle of the table. I did it. All right. Okay, so mostly so far with the drone, I've been filming for 12 Billion Year Gardens. Just trying to zip around like a bug through all the flowers. I don't know, it's just fun. It's practice in the garden, but it's sketchy flying around the dirt because of all the crud that gets in the engines. So I'm gonna try and film this one. It's got a fence around it and there's a bunch of dirt and it's very close quarters to the cars and the house. So we'll see how I do. Here we go. Okay, setting it up, everything turned on, connected. Turn the phone on to the drone. Open the drone app. Calibrate drone. App loaded. Video on. Video recording. And take off. Oh, turn on, then take off. Oh, calm down, come back. Oh, around the tripod, oh, jeez. Oh, caught in the tripod. Okay. It's behind the tripod. I think we're out of batteries. It doesn't want to go high. Yep, that was it for those batteries. Okay, switch battery pack. Turn it back on. Connect the phone again. Connect the controller again. Okay, close the app. Open the app. While the app opens, calibrate. Calibrated. Start engines. Take off. Oh, it's doing real well right now. Oh, video. Okay, so now I'm just going to try and use the buttons. We'll get down to the garden. Oh no! Okay. We're drifting backwards. Let's go forward. Let's rotate a little bit. Forward. That's actually pretty good. Forward. Left. Getting pretty decent shots right now. Back. When I use the joystick, the shots don't get very good. Left. Oh, stuck under the Jeep. Okay, try again. Okay, try and film this again. So far, I'm having fun with the drone. Hopefully it does good. Battery's running out on the camera. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.